Welcome to Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week, the 9th of May 2022. Getting very close to my birthday. I hope you're all getting ready to give me some great presents. Now, as every week, just a reminder that some of the dates may change in what I'm about to share with you, as well as some of your organization's specific settings may prohibit it from being made available to you. So apologies if you get overly excited and don't get to see it in time. Starting in Microsoft 365 apps and services, anything that's not Microsoft Teams basically. Now, SharePoint site owners will be able to navigate to the site information panel from the site settings screen and then select the view template history to see a history of site templates that were previously applied to the site. Basically version history for how your site actually looks. Selecting a site template will display the site script actions that ran successfully or encountered an error if, for example, one of the colors is wrong. Now, this feature is rolling out mid-May to the end of June. Now, something I'm personally excited about, and being serious here for a moment, is the fact that bookings in Outlook is coming to help you reduce the back and forth of scheduling while helping you maintain control of your calendar and sanity. Now, while Microsoft Bookings has been around for a number of years and is designed for group and team scheduling, Bookings in Outlook is actually new and is meant only for the owner of the mailbox, being you, me, and is based only on our preferences and availability, as opposed to the group-based, not Microsoft 365 groups, but the more group-oriented human lowercase g group, thanks Microsoft, of Bookings. Now, this will actually work pretty much like the full Microsoft Bookings app does, but only for you as an individual, and is rolling out mid to late June. I am very excited. I look forward to seeing this in your signatures. Now, the Power BI team is making changes to the services page when you log into the Power BI portal to help it provide simpler navigation, improvements to lists on the home, and style updates. To simplify navigation, they are introducing a new navigation link called Browse and merging favorites, recent, and shared with me navigation links under said Browse screen. Additionally, it's going to be easier to find content in lists with a new experience for filtering by keyword, content type, time, and owner. This is rolling out early to mid-June. Now, for those newly coming to Forms, the brand new product page landing experience will help users understand through immersive first touch experience about Forms capabilities, such as where they can use Forms and how. Users can navigate through Forms templates, categories, and select pre-populated grab and go solutions to directly start a survey. Now, if you've already used Forms before, you won't see this and instead will have to deal with the dark and sad reality that you'll never see this first run experience until you start a job in a new organization. This feature is rolling out early to late June, so start dusting off those CVs. In the world of Microsoft Teams, which to some people is everything in 365. Now, the Together mode experience has actually been with us for a while now, but this new change will actually introduce the ability for an organizer and presenters to select a scene, as well as the option to select Together mode for everyone, which will do as the name implies. A few things are important to know with this is that the option will not be selected by default, so they'll be able to select a scene but not enforce it for everyone. But also meeting participants, being non-organizers or presenters, will at any time be able to actually switch the meeting view from Together mode back to gallery or large gallery, or classic as we would probably call it, so that they can still see it in their preference. And also anybody who joins after this particular setting has been set in the meeting will go straight into Together mode and see the view that's been selected. This is rolling out late May to mid-June. And that is it for Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week.